PlantX. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite post-workout chocolate peanut butter smoothie that has 46 grams of protein, which is exactly what you need after an intense workout. So let's get to it. This easy, high-protein smoothie. Let me know if you guys tried it. I'd love to hear what you guys think of it. Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm here next week with another recipe. I'll see you guys then.